What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You gotta protect your putters. And I bought this putter cover here in my favorite school's motif. It is a Northwestern Wildcats putter cover, Mallet style. What you can see here is it has like this kind of mesh-like material on the edge here with Wildcats embroidered on it, and then the top is a PU leather, kind of a vinyl material, white piping right up here. It doesn't go all the way to the edge, and then the Northwestern embroidered decal on the top. The bottom has a flap with that same kind of mesh material edging the whole thing, and then a little circle Velcro and a nice padded material, or it's padded here, and then you have a little bit of like a microfiber interior, so you don't have to worry about it scratching anything up. Now, the reason I want to show this to you is I was surprised at how big this sucker was. So let me just show you here for a minute. This is the putter that I actually wanted to use the sucker on. It's a Northwestern style, kind of an old school mallet putter. I've shown you this in a previous video, but if I put this down on the table, or if we look at this side by side, look how ridiculously big this sucker is to this putter. So that's not going to work. Now, it's so big. I've shown you this. This is my Pine Meadow putter. This is a mallet style PGS, great putter. I like using it. Comes with this putter cover, and it's not expensive. This is a pretty big putter, and still, if we take a look at this cover is huge. Now, it means that I will probably use it on my PGX putter here because it does work, but it's not a great fit. So you might be able to see there, plenty of room. You know, I can move in there. It's almost like a tiny house, and then I can use it. You can see it fits there, and so it's got plenty of room. Obviously, it's got quite a bit of extra room, but if you want to cover up your putter and you have a really big putter, I feel like you could get these collegiate putter covers and cover just about anything. I mean, geez, you probably put most drivers in here. Anyway, just wanted to show it to you. If you want to pick one of these up, I think they're pretty cool looking. Don't know if they make them in other sizes. Wish they would, but just kind of keep in mind, it's big, like me. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.